Welcome to the channel. We have a special NFT project to talk about today, and it is called Space Riders. Space Riders is a collection of 8,888 Space Rider NFTs that aim to unify the people of Web3. But before I start, I want to mention that I am not a financial advisor, guys. So please make sure to do your own due diligence before investing and do not invest more than you're willing to lose. With that said, let's get right into the video. The website is spaceriders.xyz, and I'm gonna put the link of it in the description below so you can go over there and check it out from my channel, The Educational Network. Now, this special NFT, the Space Rider NFT, actually grants you access to several perks and benefits on their ecosystem, and their mission is to bring creators of the Space Rider community to the forefront of their brand while riding the Web3 space together. And they envision Space Rider to be a collective group of visionaries that seek to further develop and adopt the foundation of the NFT and the digital art industry. So you can mint riders, you can claim star tokens, and you can view the riders. The most important thing I want to mention over here for this particular NFT is the team. Now guys, the most important thing you got to keep in mind when you're deciding to invest and buy a particular NFT is actually looking at the people who are behind it, the team that is behind it. And Space Riders have got a very interesting team. The founder, the team lead, is passionate about the Web3. He's a community member, an investor and builder, with a co-founder who is a visual artist, art director and designer, a perfectionist by choice. And obviously you got a lead developers who's a full stack web and blockchain developers. You got founders of the Parade Lab, you have Discord enthusiasts, you got NFT and alpha addicts that work non-stop. And these individuals are people that have been working on multiple NFTs in the past. So firstly, the first most important thing they have is experience. If you're thinking of investing, you got to keep something in mind. You need someone who has been working in the NFT space, that understand the NFT space, and they know what strategies that need to be developed and how those strategies need to be executed and implemented. And that is how a successful NFT actually blows up. And Space Riders have got that experience on their side. They have individuals that have been working in multiple NFT projects. They understand what they need to do, and they understand how they need to bring it to the market. Now, looking at the roadmap, the launch and the Space Riders hit the orbit of Ethereum with the Meteoric Mint. In phase 2, they were deployed community treasure wallet, with phase 3 with the token on the ecosystems, and phase 4 with the voting system, and phase 5 the exclusive Riders merchandise and collectibles with comic series by Fernando, Gabriel, Gabs, and obviously ARL meetups and venues for holders, with a Space Rider morph coming up and Riders Resort to play to earn game. So basically, when you look at this roadmap, the first instance that you understand is that they have a strategy. They understand what they need to do and how they need to do it at every single phase. And every phase they move from the second to the third to the fourth to the fifth to the sixth, the seventh, and to the eighth, and to the ninth. They understand every single phase, what strategy each phase needs to have and how they need to implement it. They have different ranks with Space Riders. You have the riders who enjoy the riding, spreading support through the space. You have the Celestials, who are the elite riders chosen for a major purpose. Then you have the the first riders transcending space and time. So basically, and the FAQs, which I really love about them, they give a breakdown of exactly what Space Rider is. So this is 8,888 Space Riders that they have, and the Space Riders will be deployed on the Ethereum blockchain using the ERC721A contract. And obviously the mint price is going to be 0.05 Ethereum for both the pre-sale and the public sale, and a maximum of 2 mints per wallet for pre-sale and a maximum of 4 mints per wallet for the public sale. And obviously, how do you buy it? You will buy it on OpenSea and Looks Rare. So these are already available to be purchased once they start minting. So this is one of the most important things to keep in mind. And Star is their utility token for their growing ecosystem. Star is deployed on the Ethereum blockchain as an ERC20 token, and this will be a utility token tied to all their giveaways. And how do you earn Star? For every Space Rider you mint via the website, you will be immediately rewarded with 100 stars per NFT. So basically, if you have 4 Space Riders, you'll get 400 stars. And obviously, this is a token that can be used to even buy further stars. And how do you claim the stars? You can view your current claimable star balance from their star token page linked via the claim star button, and you can claim your claimable star balance from this page. So obviously, there are verified smart contracts which are available for the Riders contract, with the token contract, and with the Treasury wallet which they have shared with you. And that is why the amount of transparency that they have shown is absolutely brilliant. They have shown you what their strengths are, what their weaknesses are, how and where they're developing things, and where they're going. So I want to show you their Twitter. Their Twitter is a very interesting place. And obviously, if you want to actually get reliable information, there's 2 places you can get information from. First one is the Discord, and the second one is Twitter. So I'm going to follow them right now. They have 35,600 followers. A lot of people ask me why I tend to follow the individuals once I open Twitter. The reason behind this is I want to show you guys that you also need to follow them. That is why I follow it at that particular time. Now, the minting is obviously starting very soon, so you got to keep that in mind. And the most important thing on Twitter that you got to find to examine any successful NFT is the fact that how engaging their individuals are that are on Twitter. So this particular NFT, the Space Rider NFT, has a lot of engagement. They have a lot of information that they're sharing with their potential buyers, they're sharing with you, and they're continuously giving information to you. And one look at these NFTs, you can actually understand the creativity that's gone into developing them, the artistic approach that they've brought in developing this NFT, and obviously holding on to NFT and investing in NFT gives you that opportunity to be part of a legacy, to be part of a history. So you guys would be the one of the unique individuals that would actually get a hold of this NFT. Again, guys, I'm not a financial advisor. I've done a ton of reviews and overviews and NFTs and play to earn games. So you can check them out on my channel, The Educational Network, to understand that I only tend to do reviews of NFTs and play to earn games that I personally feel are the ones that have the potential to make it really big in the NFT space. And these guys have got the strategy, they have got the experience, they understand how they need to implement their strategy, they understand how they need to execute their strategy, and with that information and with that experience, they can actually take this to the next level. The most important thing you gotta keep in mind is you gotta join their Discord, because the Discord is where the reliable information is gonna be. So go over their Discord and join their Discord. And guys, if you're not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe to my channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon so you do not miss any of my videos. And please share these videos with your friends and your family on Facebook and WhatsApp so more people can actually benefit from it. You can always drop me a message in the comment section below on YouTube and I'll get back to you, or you can drop me a WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is available on my About Us section of my channel, The Educational Network. So stay tuned for my next video. Until then, take care. Allah Hafiz.